In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use nested sorting in Tableau. This technique can really help you organize your data by revealing deeper insights through layered arrangements. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to open up the Tableau public app. If you don't already have it installed, head over to Tableau's website and download it. It's a powerful tool for data visualization and really helps in making sense of complex data sets. Once you've got it open, pull up your worksheet, the one you want to apply nested sorting to. If you're working with multiple sheets, be sure to select the appropriate tab at the bottom to bring up the correct one. Now, locate the dimension pill on your worksheet, the one you wish to sort within another dimension. A dimension pill refers to the fields that contain qualitative categorical data. Right-clicking on this dimension pill will bring up a context menu. From here, you'll see several options that Tableau provides for data handling. You want to go ahead and select the Sort option from this menu to proceed. When you've clicked Sort, a new dialog box will appear. This is where you can specify the type of sort you'd like to apply. To implement nested sorting, select Nested from the drop-down menu labeled Sort By. This feature allows you to organize one dimension based on another, giving you the ability to explore the data layers more effectively. Next, you'll need to choose the measure by which you want to sort your data. Measures are fields containing quantitative data such as sums, averages, or other statistical values. After this, the next thing to determine is the aggregation you'd like to use for that measure. This decision will depend on the particular insights you're hoping to draw from your data. It could be something like sum, average, minimum, or another aggregate function that suits your needs. Once your measure and aggregation are set, you have to decide on the order of the sort, whether it's ascending or descending. Ascending order will arrange your data from low to high, while descending does the reverse. Choose the one that aligns best with your analytical goals. Finally, clicking Close will apply the nested sort to your data. This will rearrange your table according to the criteria you've selected, enabling you to examine relationships within your data with newfound clarity. And there you have it. You now have a well-organized data set that allows you to discover insights that might have been hidden otherwise. So, that's how you can use nested sorting in Tableau. Feel free to explore and tweak your data further to find the patterns and trends that are most significant to your objectives. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you understand a bit more about this powerful feature in Tableau.